Right, I'm going to show you a hip carry with a buckle carrier. Now I'm going to show you how to achieve that carry. So you take your buckle carrier, pop it on like an apron, fasten it nice and securely at the back. Make sure it's adjusted. Spin it round onto your hip. Take your baby and place them on your hip. Bring the carrier up their back and bring the strap that's at the back of the carrier, back of the carrier around your back, the front. Fasten it to make sure it's tight. Get the front strap, pass over the shoulder, reach around the back without letting baby go. And fasten in to the back clip. Tighten that strap so we're nice and tight. Make sure baby's legs are hugging around your body and they're in a nice M position. Baby's got a nice curved spine and you're nice and comfortable. Now to get them out, hold on to your baby, undo the buckle at the back. Bring the strap back over your shoulder. Undo the one at the front. That goes back round. And your baby's loose. You just pop them down while you undo the last buckle.